The most easily overlooked aspect in home renovation is definitely lighting design. Even if the hard furnishings look stunning, poor lighting can ruin the whole space. Today, I'll share 8 simple yet practical lighting layout tips to effortlessly elevate your home's decor. First, to create a sense of luxury, never install LED strips visibly. Hide them in recessed light channels, letting soft, diffused light illuminate the space. This creates a gentle and comfortable glow. Second, choosing the right color temperature. For common areas like the living room or dining room, stick with 3500K, no doubt about it. This warmth is like autumn sunlight, cozy but not overly bright. For bedrooms, choose between 3000K and 4000K. Prefer a cozier vibe? Go closer to 3000K. Want it brighter? Aim for around 4000K. But remember, never use 5000K or higher cool white light. That's for offices, not homes. Third, the golden rule for installing spotlights. Always keep them 30 centimeters, about 12 inches, from the wall. Whether you're washing the wall or highlighting artwork, this distance gives the softest effect. No harsh light spots on the wall. Fourth, don't cheap out on fixtures. Quality spotlights have excellent glare control, while cheap diffuser downlights can shine like little suns, blindingly bright and uncomfortable. They'll instantly ruin the room's feel. Fifth, keep the color temperature consistent in one space. Either go all 3500K warm white, or all 4000K neutral white. Mixing yellowish and whitish lights makes the space look patchy, messy and uncoordinated. Sixth, always use channels for low-voltage LED strips. Don't just stick them directly onto the wall. Over time, they'll curl or warp unevenly, creating broken, inconsistent lighting. With channels, the light stays even and seamlessly hidden. A perfect detail touch. Seventh, hang dining pendant lights 75 to 85 centimeters above the table. This height illuminates the food clearly without blocking your view. Lastly, always wire power under kitchen upper cabinet. It's for under cabinet lighting. Relying only on ceiling lights while cooking means your body blocks the light. You can barely see what you're chopping. With under cabinet lights, the countertop is brightly lit, making cooking and chopping much easier. No more worrying about cutting yourself. Lighting isn't just for illumination, it's also key to creating warmth and mood in a home. Remember these 8 simple tips, and you can design a stylish, comfortable home without hiring an expensive designer. Follow Kingornan for more tips to avoid renovation mistakes.